This is Ivan. It's time for Dollar General's 5 off 25 Saturday scenarios for 5/16. Let's go. I am in the detergent aisle. Now this deal is over our price range, what we usually do, but it's an awesome deal. So this is what I want you to do. We're going to go and we're going to do a game deal. Pick up the Game Flings 60 count, 3-in-1, whichever one you want to get, as long as it's the Game Flings. They're $15.95. Pick up one Febreze bathroom regain in it at $3.25. Pick up the Febreze 2-count car clip at $6 and one Airwick Advanced at $4. Okay, we're gonna scan every one of these deals right here. Now I just couldn't resist doing this deal because I have someone that's asking me for gain, and I always have to do my due diligence and lower my out-of-pocket before I can get it to them. Okay, as usual, do not forget to clip your 5 off 25. Whenever you see that black square with the white plus sign it, you need to tap it. It's going to turn into a check mark. That's your most important coupon. See, I'm in here and it's not doing it. Okay, now we're going to scan our Game Fling. It's $15.95. It is 2 coupons. The one we're going to concentrate on is the one for $3. Now, we all know that that $3 coupon is Dollar General. The 5 off 25 and the $3 do not stack. So instead of us going to $25, we need to go over at least $3 to $28. Okay? Now, let's do Gain Small Space. Febreze Small Space is $3.25, and they gave us a $2 coupon manufacturer. Expires on the 16th, so make sure you use those coupons, guys. Then we're going to do Febreze car clip at $6, and we also have a $3 manufacturer that expires on the 23rd, so we're okay. Now let's do the Airwick Scented Oil Warmer is $4, and you have a $3 coupon. Now, that expires on 8/30. But listen, you guys can also do the deal, which is better to me, would be the one right there, the kit. But all the stores are out of the kit. So let's do the deal. The Gain is $15.95. The Small Space is $3.25. The car clip is $6. And the warmer is $4. Okay, we're at $29.20. Right? $29.20. We already know we're over $3 plus $1.20 extra, which is okay. We're gonna first take that $3 off this off that Gain, because that's what's gonna come off first. Now it takes you to $26.20. Now you can use your 5 off 25. We're in a safe area. Take your 5 off 25. Take your 2 off the Small Space. Take your 3 off the car clip, and take your 3 off of the Febreze warmer. We take you to $13.20. $13.20, guys. Let me show you something. This Game Fling 60 count is $15.95. Our entire deal is not even the price of this Game Fling. That's why I said it's an awesome deal, right? So you want to take that, divide it by the 4 items that we bought. Now you're even getting better because you're paying $3.30 for that Game Fling. That Game Fling is $3.30, guys. $3.30, and as you can see, they're gone. So that's an awesome deal that you can do right away. Okay, let's get to our next deal. Hey guys, so let's do this deal right here. Pick up one Scott tissue at $3.50. It's a $1 coupon attaching to the 6 count. Okay. One bathroom, Small Space, one warmer, one Febreze car clip. And then the new item that we're going to scan is going to be the Lysol and the tissue, okay? We're going to scan those 2 items because we saw the coupons for the other ones. Okay, let's scan the tissue. And the tissue is $3.50. We have a $1 coupon. Now you can do this deal, but you need to cover that $3, okay? So just be careful. Now, $7.35 for the Lysol air spray, and they gave us a $3 coupon, all right, manufactured. Okay, let's do the deal. $3.50 for the tissue, $7.35 for the Lysol spray, $3.25 for the Small Space, $6 for the car clip double, and $4 for the warmer. That's going to be $24.10. Pick up some for 90 cents. You can go to the dollar aisle grab something for $1, okay? Take you to $25 even. Take your 5 off 25. Take your $1 off the Scott. Take your 3 off the Lysol. Take your 2 off the small space. Take your 3 off the car clip and 3 off the warmer. Leave you at $8 even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You've added that by 5 products. $1.60. If I can get a 6-roll pack of tissue to send to my son for college for $1.60, I'm definitely grabbing it. I'm gonna definitely grab that deal. Now, guys, I want to show you guys something. Just a bit of advice. We have some coupons right here for the Arm & Hammer, right? We have coupons. Let me show you. We have some coupons. My app is really slow up in this part of the store. Okay, here it comes. $5. You have a $2 coupon. Now, save those coupons, because next week coming up, Arm & Hammer has an instant deal on their detergent. You need that coupon, okay, to bring that price down. Now, you also have a $2 coupon on the Oxy. This in the pack, $4.25. Right here, you have a $2 coupon. So you have a $2 coupon on this one. That's $5. And you have a $2 coupon on this one. Now, they're going to give us an instant deal on it. Save the coupons for that if you like Arm & Hammer. I'm an Arm & Hammer girl, so I will be saving that. All right, let's get to another deal. Hey guys, let's do this last deal. Now, you know I have to give you at least 2 detergent deals. You're going to pick up 1 Scott tissue at 6 count. You're going to pick up a small space. You're going to pick up the 2 count Febreze clip, 1 advanced warmer, and this Purex 115 load one. Okay, we're going to scan that. Let's see. 115 load, $10, and it is 2 coupons. We're going to concentrate on a $2 manufacturer coupon, not the cash back. Now, if you have one or the other one, then you will gain $2 if you have the cash back, and you will go down $2 if you have the coupon, okay? So let's do the math. $10 for the Purex, $3.50 for the Scott, $3.25 for the small space, $6 for the clip, and $4 for the warmer. $26.75. Take your 5 off 25. Take your 2 off your Purex, 1 off your Scott tissue, 2 off your small space, 3 off your Febreze clip, and 3 off of your advanced warmer. Leave you at $10.75. Now, we went over about 75 cents because we want to do 10 and under, okay? Now, you can mix and match this if you want to. But first, let's do our division. Divide by 5 products, $2.15. This is $2.15. $2.15 for this. That's an awesome deal. I wouldn't want to miss that if I like Purex. Now, you can alternate different products within here, okay? You can go with the Lysol. You can go with the Irish Spring, which give you a $2 coupon. Now, don't forget to pick up 2 of the degrees. They're at $4 each. They gave us a $3 off 2 coupon for the degree, okay? So you can alternate in and out whatever deal you want to get. Another thing you can do is you can come right down here to the Dawn Power Wash. It's $5. They gave us a $2 coupon. Those are your subbies right there, okay? Then come down here to the Palmolive. They're 2 for $5. We had a $1 coupon. I don't know what happened to it. Mine is not there, and I did not use it. So kind of be diligent, guys, on what you use. Also, the Power Dawn right here is $5.85. They gave us a $2 coupon. So make sure you pay attention, be diligent to those, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share Harvey's coupon. We don't gatekeep. Bye.